What's up, guys? So I just want to start off by saying sorry there wasn't any videos for the last 2 weeks. I was sick, and I really didn't have parts. But as I said in the last video, or maybe 2 videos ago, but I was thinking about getting new grill and bumper for my '88 Silverado. So I did pick those up. This is the new bumper right here. New lower valance. So I got these from LMC, and they have 2 options for bumpers. There's a premium chrome and the normal. The premium chrome they didn't have in stock. It was a couple months back order. So this one is the non-premium chrome. It's not as nice quality and not as shiny. So I did order the premium chrome, or I'm going to, and just wait on it, just because I want it to look as nice as possible. But as you can see on the original one, it doesn't have any of this plastic stuff or the thing for the license plate. I think it'll look a lot cleaner. And my lower valance is it's all faded, it's ripped up in the corners, so decided to replace that. And I did get a new grill. It's a little dirty, but new grill. It's not all faded like my old ones. I already transferred over marker lights that you guys saw me install in my light video. But Chevy logo, I didn't order that because I thought I could use my original one. I can't use the stock one because it's actually quite a bit bigger. It's like an inch wider up here. So, but I'm gonna get this bumper pulled off. I'm gonna get this one mounted up, and then I can show you guys the finished product. But if you guys remember from my lights video, I tried using my blinkers, and since I didn't have resistors wired in, it wouldn't work. Whenever I would turn on my lights, my blinkers wouldn't flash at all, and whenever my lights were off, my blinkers would flash, but not very fast, but not right. It would flash really fast. So I did wire in resistors. I did that off camera. But I got the new grill, got the new bumper, the new lower valance. I think it'll really pull this front end together with having the new lights and everything. So I'm gonna prop you guys up, and we'll get started on today's video. Now, if you guys are wondering, there's only 1, 2 down there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts that hold on this front bumper. So now we're gonna get the new one up, all mocked up. I'm gonna throw her on. Alright, so I got the grill and the bumper and the lower valance all put together. So I'm gonna show you guys the final product, and then I'll probably cut to some B-roll of it going down the road, how it looks with all the new lights and stuff at night. So as you guys can tell, there's no Chevy emblem on the grill. I thought my original one would work, but it's way bigger. So I'm still waiting on that to come in the mail. But I think this new bumper, lower valance grill, and all the new lights looks really good. So we're gonna see how it looks going down the road. Alright guys, so before we end up today's video, I decided I am gonna be doing a giveaway. And basically, I'm gonna be giving away one of these flags. It says weekends are for race cars. Literally all you have to do is like this video and be subscribed to my YouTube channel. I think I'm at like 82 subscribers right now. And once I get to 120, I'm gonna be doing the giveaway. So if you guys are local, you know, I can meet up with you guys, give you the flag, or if you guys are somewhere else, I will mail it to you free of charge. So yeah, I just thought it'd be something kind of cool. Do a little giveaway, give back to everybody as like a thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. So, and again, sorry for missing 2 weeks on the videos. I was sick. So, but yeah, now we're back into the groove of things. Got some parts coming for the truck and some good content coming. So stay tuned, enjoy you guys' day, and I'll see you guys next week.